Well, a face threatening act occurs when you tell something to someone that affects your face or the other person's face in a social context. This could happen when you are giving opinions or when you are agreeing with someone about something, and etc.
Also, a threat depends on the speaker's intention and the hearer's perceptions.
Okay, as a face treating act can occur in different situations, our examples are based on making a request to someone that is constantly talking in a conference. So we want to ask that person to stay in silence.
In the first strategy, we have do the face-threatening act on record without redressive action, and that it means in a hearty way or being rude. And an example could be like if the person is talking so much, if you are in the conference and you are saying like, "Shut up!" and
On the second one, we do the face threatening act on record too, but using positive politeness. Here, example is if the person doesn't let you hear what the speaker is saying, you can tell that person, "I really appreciate your comment, but would you mind keeping silent, please?" In this way, we are enhancing the hearer's face and our face too, recognizing the need of the hearer to be socially accepted.
okay, here we have the third strategy that is doing the face threatening act but using negative politeness. In this example, it's referring to that the hearer doesn't ask for a comment, but you as a speaker give it anyway. So the example could be that I'm sorry for bother you, but can you keep silence? So this is referring that you are respecting the hearer's opinion, but at the same time, the hearer doesn't want to be bothered. So you are using that first phrase, I'm sorry.
In the fourth strategy, we do the face threatening of record. It means in an indirect way. You are not telling that person in a direct way, so the person is going to catch the message randomly. In our example, we have like, "I really can't listen to the speaker because someone is talking too much." In that way, the person is going to catch the message.
Then we have the fifth and the last strategy that is when you analyze everything and you decide not to do the face threatening act, taking into account the weight that is referring to the power, the distance, and the rank.
So, why is important for us as future English teachers? Well, we think we need to be careful in what we are saying to students and how we are going to say that things to them.
And this is to protect students' faces and to protect ourselves as teachers as well, and to do not give enter to misunderstandings.
So, guys, remember we have 5 strategies, and the first one is
that you do the face threatening act on record, but in a direct way.
Yes, and then we have do it also with on record, but using positive politeness. That is enhancing your face and the hearer's face.
And then we have the third one that is like you protect the negative face of the hearer that doesn't want to be bothered.
And the fourth one is do the face threatening act, but off record it means in an indirect way.
And the last one that you don't do the face threatening act.
So thank you for watching us.
I hope this video could be useful for you.